In this video, we're going to show you how to apply for a BA code. This includes where to go to apply for it, then how to fill out the form, and what happens once your application is submitted. The examples are focused on non-licensees since many license holders already have a BA code. Let's begin. The first step is to go to the Petronex page, and we are going to click Apply for Access by clicking on the link at the bottom of the page. Now we're on the Access to Petronex page. The top box is where you would click to apply for Alberta Access, and the box below is where you would click if you wish to apply for a BA code in Saskatchewan. Please click on the link. The first section of the form is where general information can be entered for either a company or an individual. Anywhere on the form that you see a red star, it's a mandatory field. However, be aware in this section, you either fill out the company section or the individual section, not both. Scroll down to the next section of the form where you'll enter your mailing address, city, province, postal code, country, telephone number, fax number, and email. Enter all that pertinent contact information either for the individual or the business. If this is an application that has a care of identifier, then go up to the care of pull down and you can search for an existing BA code by entering in the name and selecting the company out of the list. Then click OK. Scrolling down to the bottom of that section, if pertinent, please fill out your Alberta Corporate Access Number, trade name, partnership number, GST code, and GST registration number. If you do not have a GST registration number, please be sure to change the GST code from yes to no. Next, scroll down to the Contact Person information area. Please note that you only need to fill out this section if the BA application that you applied for is for a company and not an individual. Below that, there's an area for alternate address. You can add an alternate address for a gas royalty or an oil royalty. If either of those apply, click on the Add button and add your alternate address. In the BA User Security Administration information area, the first question is, once you have been assigned a BA identifier, you will need access to Petronex. Please click No to that question. Please skip over the Primary User Security Administration Data section and also the Backup Security Administrator section. We are now nearing the end of the form. Under the Business Associates role, a non-licensee only needs to click the Digital Data System DDS checkbox. Under AER license holder information, it asks, do you want to become an AER license holder? The answer for non-licensees is no. Next, please click Submit. Once your BA identifier request is approved, your code will arrive in your inbox by email. Once you have that number, it's time to move on to step 2.